Hello children. Today we are going to call Rini and her mother again. Fine. Because Rini wanted to draw a picture and explain the picture. Fine. So let's start. Hi Rini. Mama, can you draw a picture? Yes. Show me how to draw. Now see what to do. Draw a circle. Acha Rini, do one thing better. Before you draw a circle, draw a standing line. Okay, Mama. Mama, from here. Yes, better. Like this? Like this. Now, Mama, what to do? Now draw one more circle from here. Not circle, better. I'm sorry, standing line. Okay, from here. Okay. Now, one more from here. Okay. From here. Okay. Now, beta, you need to draw a flower. Okay. First, you draw a circle like this. Okay. Now draw a flower with number 3 like this. Okay, Mama. Now children, those who can draw the flower, they can draw themselves. Otherwise, you can write 3 and draw the flower. Fine? One more. Here. Like this, Mama? Yes, beta. See, Mama, I am done. Wow, wonderful. Now, what we will do? We will draw the grasses. Grass. Okay, how? Write V. Okay, V. Another V. 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 Now what to do, Mama? Standing line from here, inside. Okay? Yes. Standing line. Standing line. Standing line. Standing line. Standing line. Standing line. Yes. Yes. Now do the randomly standing line. Random. Like this. Do it better. Here. Yes. Hey, Mama, this one is bad. Mama, this become bad. खराब हो गया, Mama. No, beta, it's okay. No issues. All these are flowers. Fine. These are flowers. Now, beta, these are not flowers. It's not called flowers. It's called flowers. Fine. Okay. Flowers. Flowers, है ना Mama? Yes, beta. Now you draw leaves. Make a circle like this. Okay. Mama, I can do this. Okay, dear. Do it. See, Mama, done. Wow. Wonderful. Now we will draw the birds. Here you draw. How? Write V. Shall I do for you, Rini? No, Mama, let me do. Okay. Okay, better. V. How come? V. 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 Fine? Yes, Mama. V. Now we will draw a butterfly. Butterfly कैसे बनाएंगे Rini? Just look at here. Okay. Now slanting. Then ऐसे करेंगे आप. Fine. Then what we will draw? We will draw. Write B, beta. जानते हो ना बी. सो इसको टर्न कर लो. टर्न दिस वन. यस, राइट बी. और यू कैन राइट 3. दिस इज 3, नॉट बी. बी यहाँ से होता है ना बेटा, तो ये दिस इज 3. ओके, नाउ 2 circles. Fine. Now again you turn it. Turn कर ली ना बेटा. Now चलो, let me draw the legs. Done. Now you will color this. See mama, I have done the color. Wow, very good beta. Good. Now can you write a sentence? You tell me a sentence first. Okay? Okay mama. Now beta, tell me what is this? Butterfly. Then what butterfly is doing? Butterfly is eating honey. Eating honey. No beta. We can say you are right. There is a honey inside the flower. But how to write? We can say, we can call that nectar. Nectar. Okay mama. So how to write? We can write a butterfly is sucking nectar. Okay mama, okay mama. And what we can write? We can write, mama, birds. Yes, birds are flying in the sky. Yes. And what else we can write, Renee? Beautiful flowers. Yes beta, that also we can write like this. There are so many beautiful flowers in the park. Yes, that we can do. So what we have written? A butterfly is sucking nectar. There are so many beautiful flowers in the picture. Birds are flying in the sky. Okay mama. Thank you mama. Beta, listen. Earlier also I told you how to cook. For the cooking we do require the ingredients, है ना. तो हम लिखने में हमारा भी ingredients चाहिए. First we do require the subject, then verb, then object. ठीक है. ये देखो सारे में ऐसे करके किए हैं. Now children, Rini has done 3 sentences. Rini has prepared 3 sentences. Now what about you? You also try to prepare a sentence on it. Otherwise you can draw your picture on your own and you can prepare a sentence. Okay? Thank you beta. Bye bye.